Inquiring minds want to know, do you know what today is? And don't look at prompter.
Too late. It's World Paella Day.
I love this day. I didn't know it existed, but it comes right smack in the middle of Hispanic Heritage Month. And our very own Kieran Dillon joins us live from Mercado, Little Spain, in Hudson Yards. I have been there, Kieran.
Yeah.
It is delicious, and I'm incredibly jealous of you right now.
Great smell-o-vision.
Yes. Hi, guys. Good morning. I can tell you that it smells absolutely incredible in here. Now, earlier this morning, we learned how to cook paella right here in front of you. You can see the dish is simmering hot. And with more on that, I actually want to bring in Chef Nicolás López, who is the head chef here. So tell me, what are we looking at? What kind of paella is this?
This is the typical paella valenciana, which is made with bomba rice, olive oil, green beans, artichokes, white beans, chicken, rabbit, a little bit of tomato, saffron, and rosemary.
Oh, it smells so, so good. So, Chef, I know we were going to put it in a dish, and we're going to get it over there so we can taste it. This dish has been cooking for more than an hour, and it's really just been incredible to see him put all of the elements together. So tell me a little bit of paella. When, it originates from Spain, there's many different kinds. Tell us about that, Chef.
Yes, so, well, you can find paella everywhere in Spain, but it's actually a dish that is based on the name of the recipient. So this is a paella pan. So any rice that you cook in a paella pan, you can call it paella. But paella valenciana, there's only one recipe.
There's only one, which is the one we made. It has chicken and rabbit.
Exactly.
Yes. But based on the region of Spain, there are different types. So tell me about that. What are some of the other kinds?
So the other, let's take the paella. So the other paellas are.
Oh, amazing. Look at him bringing this over for us, you guys.
Sorry. You can find paellas almost in all the Mediterranean coast. So you can find paellas in Valencia, you can find paellas in Catalonia, in the Balearic Island.
Right, all the different regions.
But today we are making, to celebrate World Paella Day, the paella valenciana, the one and only paella valenciana.
Amazing. And so I know you have made this, I asked you earlier, you said that you've made this at least 100 times, this specific dish. So how do you feel when you make it? I mean, it must take you back to home, to your roots.
Yeah, of course I feel home, and for me it's a joy to be able to show the paella to the world here in Mercado, Spain, in New York. But also, when I cook paella, I feel home because paella is a celebration, right?
It's a
when
celebration,
you cook paella, you have friends, you have a really nice cava, a really nice wine.
Thank you.
And you celebrate life, you enjoy life, you are eating a nice dish, but most of it, you are happy around a paella. There's always happiness around a paella. You are never sad around a paella.
Right. So is this something, you said it sparks happiness, it's about community and family and friends. So is this something that people at home can learn how to make? I know you said you just need a proper pot.
Absolutely. Yeah, of course, you need a paella pan, but paella pan, actually you can get it anywhere now. Just go to Amazon? And you can get your paella pan.
Got it.
And it's as easy as to start making paella. The first paella that you make, maybe it's not perfect.
Right.
The second will be a little bit better.
Right.
And little by little, you'll get to get this paella.
So I'm gonna try it.
Let's try it.
Tell me about the accompaniment, the cava.
This cava, this is a wine, a sparkling wine, typical from Catalonia. And for me, it's one of the best pairings for paella. Cava or a rosé is really good. Any sparkling wine. Even a beer is perfect. Sangria.
That is amazing. It's so, so tasty. Thank you so much.
He
has been slaving away for us all, for about an hour cooking this dish, and it was incredible. I really, really appreciate you doing that for us. So Mercado, Little Spain here in Hudson Yards is actually celebrating World Paella Day by serving paella outside in front of the vessel today from 12 to 7. Each dish, I mean, I got it for free, but each dish, if you want to come down, is going to be $18. But guess what? The cava, that will be complimentary. Reporting from Hudson Yards. I'll send it back to you guys.
So delicious.
Look at the size of that.
We are pining for that paella pan. Can you bring some back?
Put it in your pockets,
Delicious.
whatever.
Just sling it over your
I will definitely bring some back. Hazel already asked me, so look how big this pot is. I think they'll share it if I ask nicely.
It's enormous.